Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
Welcome to Health Watch, presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. I'm Olivia Lemon. Today's topic is replacing a joint replacement. How long does a joint replacement last?
Usually we'll say at least 15 years is the expected survivalship, but a lot of the implants we have today with the special plastic liners can be expected to last 20-25 years.
What are some reasons why a hip replacement would need replacing?
Sometimes because the ball dislocates from the socket multiple times, in which case it has to be fixed with surgery. Sometimes it's because the plastic wears out, and sometimes it's for infection.
Are there any extra risks in having a joint replacement replaced?
The risks of infection are higher, the risks of dislocation are higher, and the risk of fracturing around the implant or continued pain after that are all higher. The recovery is longer too.
Can a knee replacement be replaced?
The most common reason is that the plastic piece becomes worn. And so this replacement is made so that we can take out the plastic piece and leave the metal pieces attached to the bone and put in a new plastic piece.